Hello and welcome to a student tutorial on how to use Zoom. Zoom is a remote conferencing service that we will be using to help conduct instruction remotely, as well as counseling appointments, writing center appointments, and other services that we can conduct online. Whether you are attending a Zoom session by email invitation or link that was posted in your Canvas, all you need to do is open your Zoom link in a browser. If this is the first time using Zoom, you will be prompted to download the installer. Save your file, accept their terms. Once the download has been completed, simply click on it to open, and there you go. If the host of the meeting hasn't started yet, you will see a screen very similar to this. If the meeting host has enabled the waiting room, this is the next screen that you will see. You need to wait for the host of the meeting to accept you in before you can begin. You'll be given the option to join with your computer audio or via phone call. If you're going to call in to the meeting, use one of these phone numbers here. The prompt will ask you for the meeting ID and your participant ID. If your computer is equipped with a microphone, you can join with your computer audio. If you're not sure, test the speaker and microphone. If everything checks out with your speaker and microphone, go ahead and click on Join with Computer Audio. Now we're in a Zoom meeting room. To mute yourself, click on the microphone button down here. To unmute, click the button again. If you would like to share video, click on the Start Video button. To stop sharing, click on the video button again. If you would like to chat with your instructor, you can type here. If there are other participants in the meeting, click here and you will get to choose the person to chat with. If you need to share a file, for example, homework that you might have questions on, a paper that you need the writing center to look at, you could add the file here. Choose the file that you would like to share and click Open. Your instructor may be sharing with you their screen as they walk through a PowerPoint or other type of presentation on their own computer. They may also share with you a whiteboard. You can also share your screen by clicking on the Share Screen button here or down below in your toolbar. Once you click on that, it'll give you options as to which screen you would like to share. If you have multiple monitors, you can share the whiteboard. You can share from your phone or iPad. There are many options. Simply select the one that you would like to share and click Share. If you need to leave your meeting for any reason, click on the Leave Meeting button. Otherwise, when your instructor is ready to end the meeting, you'll see a screen like this. And that's it for the basics of Zoom. If you have any questions, be sure to email studenttechsupport@sierracollege.edu. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.